Hi, I'm Peggy Sue.
I'm Chris McCullough.
We are architects and we do a lot of homes for our clients, but this one is our personal home.
We designed it from the ground up for ourselves.
Can't wait to show you our own.
We had a lot of fun with this home as it has a lot of different materials and textures. You see that we've layered the spaces using architectural features such as the chimney to create some separation of the space as well as the hillside beyond.
We also carry the building material from outside into the inside, blurring the lines of indoor and outdoor.
We're in our living room, and our living room has interior plants, a record collection, and sofa for lounging.
The steel structure, it's more sturdy than it looks. However, it's only 1/4 inch thick.
The record shelves were designed with the size of the collection in mind. We wanted it in our living room because we play records every day when we cook. And we wanted it close to the kitchen, and we enjoy entertaining in this space as well.
Overall, this living room is our favorite place to hang out.
We designed this dining room to have its skylight above so you'd have daylighting throughout the day, and then I created a piece of art to be a focal point on this wall. This piece is made with mini discs. It's a sort of form of pixel art.
We decided to use brass to make our dining table, provide a contrast from the dark color scheme on the floor and the background. One of the seating arrangements is using a natural wood log, and it's wood we rescued from the wood chipper.
I love the wood bench because it has wheels and we're able to move it around when we have larger gatherings at the house. And speaking of moving, this is our listening bar, where we have turntables and a mixer. At the top of the stairs, we have a guardrail planter that has a drainage system in it. It actually drains to the exterior through the base, into the wall, and under the floor.
You will see more of connecting to the outside by having a roof garden. If you like the plants here, you will like what we did to our primary bedroom. This bedroom is very minimal and clean, just for sleeping and really enjoy the nature, being part of our sanctuary. The bedroom is facing east, so we like to wake up early in the morning watching the sunrise coming up from behind the ridge. Also continue the language of indoor-outdoor. We bring the plaster wall from the outside to the inside.
Let's wrap up the tour of the interior spaces by going to check out the backyard. We love the backyard, its connection to nature. One of my favorite features is the roof overhang provides shade, and it's quite wonderful to sit and read a book.
And that deep overhang is also where the planter roof is from our bedroom. When the irrigation water overflows, it provides the water for the wild animals.
Not only was this one of our projects in our architecture studio, but it's our home. So thank you for stopping by.
Thank you for visiting.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.